Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the App Store and signing into your Apple ID. This ties purchases to one account. Next, go to your account settings and choose payment methods so you can add a card. Enter the Visa number, expiry date, and CVV carefully. These values verify the card. Make sure the billing ZIP matches what your bank has on file, because mismatched billing info is the most common reason for rejection. Once you tap Add Payment Method, choose credit or debit card and decide whether to scan or type the numbers. Scanning speeds entry but double-check accuracy. Then enter the billing address exactly as your bank records it, because address verification prevents declines. If prompted, accept Apple's terms and enable any required one-time authorization. This small temporary charge confirms the bank link. After that, save changes and return to the App Store to test a free download. You finish by making a test purchase or downloading a free app to force a payment method check. That confirms setup. If the card is declined, call your bank to authorize online or international charges and make sure there are no fraud holds. If issues persist, remove and re-add the Visa, verify Apple ID region matches your card, or try another card. One key tip: authorization failures almost always trace to billing address mismatches or bank blocks, so start there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.